Anyway, the unexpected thing was when I made that jump, there was an awful lot of misunderstanding which I had to experience, and somehow my ability to kind of to travel through borders, no, not that one, I'm talking about spiritual borders. I didn't need a passport for that, believe me. Didn't have to spell my name either. So, anyway, it seemed to be met with some kind of aversion by some sections of the media, particularly. I'm not saying you, yes, the media, but anyway. So, this is a song which I think goes into that. People, do you understand me now? Sometimes I feel really bad. Don't you know no one alive could always be an angel? Things go wrong, I see what it's sad. But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood. You know, sometimes I'm so carefree. The joy is hard to hide. And sometimes it seems that all I have is worry. Bound to see my other side. I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood. If I seem edgy, I want you to know that I'll never mean to take it out on you. Life has its problems, and I get more than my share. But that's one thing I never mean to do.